The new hobby. Sara was a young woman who lived in a small city. Every day after work, she felt bored and tired. She wanted something new in her life, but she did not know what to do. One evening, she walked home slowly, thinking about her day. The streets were quiet, and the sky was turning dark. When Sara arrived home, she sat on her sofa and looked around her room. She saw her old books, her phone, and her empty cup of tea. She felt lonely. She wanted to find something that could make her happy and help her relax after work. Sara remembered that her friend Anna liked painting. Anna often showed her pictures of flowers, trees, and people. Sara thought, maybe I can try painting too. It looks fun and peaceful. The next day after work, Sara went to a small shop near her house. She bought a set of paints, some brushes, and a few sheets of paper. She felt excited but also a little nervous. She had never painted before. She wondered if she could make something beautiful. At home, Sara put the paper on her table and opened the box of paints. She chose a blue color and started to paint a simple sky. Her hand moved slowly. The lines were not straight and the colors mixed together. Her first picture looked simple and a little messy. Sara smiled. She knew it was not perfect, but she felt proud that she tried. Every evening, Sara painted a new picture. She painted flowers, trees, and her favorite cup. Sometimes the colors were too dark, and sometimes the shapes were strange. But Sara did not stop. She enjoyed the quiet time and the feeling of making something with her own hands. One day, Anna visited Sara. Anna saw the paintings on the table and smiled. "You are getting better," Anna said. Sara felt happy. She showed Anna her first painting and her newest one. Anna could see the difference. The colors were brighter, and the shapes were clearer. Sara started to watch videos about painting. She learned how to mix colors and how to use different brushes. She tried new ideas, like painting with her fingers or using a sponge. Sometimes she made mistakes, but she learned from them. She did not feel sad when a picture was not good. She just tried again. After a few weeks, Sara had many paintings. She put them on her wall. Her room looked colorful and warm. When she came home from work, she felt happy to see her art. She felt proud of her progress. Sara's friends noticed her new hobby. They asked her to paint pictures for them. Sara painted a flower for Anna and a tree for her neighbor. She felt good when people liked her work. She realized that trying something new could bring joy and new friends. Sara joined a small art group in her city. The group met every Saturday to paint together. Sara was shy at first, but the other members were friendly. They shared ideas and helped each other. Sara learned new skills and made new friends. One day, the art group held a small show. Sara put her paintings on a table for everyone to see. She was nervous, but people smiled and said nice things about her art. Sara felt proud and happy. She remembered her first painting and how much she had improved. Sara's life changed because she tried a new hobby. She was no longer bored after work. She looked forward to painting every day. She learned that it was okay to start with simple things and make mistakes. With practice and patience, she found joy and confidence. Sara knew she could try other new things in the future. She was not afraid to learn and grow. Her new hobby taught her that every day could be special if she was open to new experiences. One weekend, Sara decided to visit the city art museum. She had never been there before. The building was large and quiet, with many paintings on the walls. Sara walked slowly from room to room, looking at the colors and shapes. She saw paintings of people, animals, and places from far away. Some pictures made her feel happy, and some made her think deeply. Sara realized that art could show many feelings and stories. She wanted to learn how to express her own feelings through painting. After the museum visit, Sara felt inspired. She bought a small notebook and started to sketch simple things she saw every day. She drew her breakfast, her shoes, and the view from her window. Sometimes she drew people in the park or the bus. Her sketches were quick and simple, but they helped her see the world in a new way. Sara learned to notice small details, like the way sunlight touched a leaf or the way people smiled at each other. One rainy evening, Sara sat by her window and watched the drops fall. She felt calm and peaceful. She painted the rain on the glass, using soft blue and gray colors. The picture looked gentle and quiet. Sara wrote in her diary, "Painting helps me feel calm when the world is busy." Sara's father visited her one day. He saw her paintings on the wall and smiled. "You have changed," he said. "You look happier now." Sara nodded. She told her father about her art group and her new friends. Her father said, "I am proud of you for trying something new." At work, Sara's boss asked her to help design a poster for a company event. Sara was nervous, but she agreed. She used her painting skills to make a bright and simple poster. Her boss liked it and thanked her. Sara felt proud to use her hobby to help others. Sometimes, Sara felt tired or busy and did not have time to paint. On those days, she looked at her old paintings and remembered how much she enjoyed creating them. She learned that it was okay to rest and take breaks. Her hobby was always there for her when she needed it. Sara's art group planned a trip to the countryside. The group took a bus to a small village with green fields and clear rivers. Sara painted the hills and the water, feeling the fresh air and warm sun. She talked with her friends and shared ideas. The trip made her feel close to nature and to her friends. One evening, Sara received a message from a woman in her art group. The woman said, "Your paintings make me smile." "Thank you for sharing your art." Sara felt touched. She realized that her hobby could bring happiness to others, not just herself. Sara started to dream about new projects. She wanted to try painting with new materials, like clay or wood. She wanted to learn about photography and music. Sara knew that learning new things could be hard, but she was not afraid. She believed in herself and her ability to grow. Sara's life was full of color, hope, and friendship. She was grateful for her new hobby and for the courage to try something new. Every day, she looked for small joys and new experiences. She knew that with patience and practice, She could keep learning and sharing her happiness with the world.